Immediately they hinder me about who has written these things that your letter there in Vela ordinary post, and to me now from where this letter I'm just to rapidly this letter number this to whom written the district magistrate, he has to respond the dated on this letter from West Bengal government our this address to whom the sir I am directed to send here with a petition of Sri Rabindranath Roy of Hooghly along with its enclosure with its self-explanatory. That is a 52 pages letter. I do not know that was with that his letter, and he have kept those sort of material. It is requested. He has not returned me, or that has been kept in the Hooghly district magistrate of the historical document and the life saving, life losing, life, climate change, etc. All the switches, machine beds all mentioned. It was requested that necessary step may kindly be taken, that the petitioner may be apprised of the same with the institute to this department. But he did not stand stern over to me. So yours faithfully OSD dated itna. Then he is given to copy to me Sri Rabindranath village Mulluk, Badanganj, Kamatpukur, and this thing. And so copy, you can ask Mahitab Singh ke office under this letter of this height, of this dated, what is written, then IT cell West Bengal government ARD, where there is also copies. So now these people who are to suppress this letter, as they have contact with these people, now the so many others material they have locked, they have not allowed me to enter. So I am now coming where they abruptly stopped me. When I was being initiated from my scientist, I was very mad about this science, the cell biology, cancer and virological molecule biology, vaccine development, diagnostic, molecular. I am the only leading scientist of this IVR, and to use at the staff NPRE Renderpest laboratory, although I am not officially involved with this matter, because I am youngest scientist of this department in the 94 of that. My investigator, my supervisor he was on punishment to shifted to Mukteshwar, that I got him as the head of the division virology, and also our division's lab in charge. So my Gurudev, different photos, those I am putting as my Mukteshwar Shivji Maharaji Society, 7th March 2007, 23rd March. It has registered at Nainital district, Haldwani register office. So thus they have hindered me to get this court in Calcutta High Court, that ACR 2005-6 and also CP 2008 court case to made at Nainital court case. Both case has kept pending by this blue whale in mesmerizing manner, and they to manage that amount of more than 1 crore 50 lakh rupees as kept in such a position. Now I am the life threat. I cannot. I tried last 10 years. For various reasons, the High Court has tried to deny my case to listen this, because that I blame this as anarchic condition, or the culprit as a chore has come to the seat as a to be charged these chores. So all of these papers. So my Gurudev was sitting at Mukteshwar Vrindavana. He was a reviver. He is at ashram, bank of Ganga, where is a Pushan ashram. A disciple taken these photos. He was at a famous Hanseshwari temple of Tantric temple. Tantric Ma Tara ke famous temple, where Lord Ramakrishna used to visit that temple. He is very much for kingly supporter of the district of Hooghly. So he was gradually related with Hooghly, and that is the oldest that merging place of the Orko and Hindu people at nearby Sagar. That is not Sagar what I mentioned, that is a Kachrapada, Halishahar, Bansbedia, Adi Saptagram, where this is a Kalna lower post and the Adi Saptagram, etc. Pandua, name is Pandua, Rameshwar, Ram temples, Otrol, Obsana, all are there. Chuchura, Bandil ka north side hai, where our Gurudev's ashram is there. That I have floated one letter for requesting all these peoples, 2006, that was also published, and Calcutta High Court, this court appeal is added by two men, I am and all these peoples. I make this about to mention this Kumaun Hill, etc. All those can be seen better. I just they to destroy my all those photographs. So I have to give in this YouTube videography. They cannot share all these photographs and can claim. Apart from my Mukteswar, my own nephews, at that time there is no disciple to claim come forward because there is a life snatching inner problem that so many disciples have. Even that he was made mad and tremendous magnetic field creating, where that God power hindering magnetic field from underneath. All this his time before 1986 photographs, when I probably not reached, and before that I reached Mukteswar by 1987, end December and 1987, 88 January 13. I meet in 1988, 18th January, first time. This girl is daughter of Dilip Lahiri from Vrindavan. She was very close, but she was mismanaged to manage a lot of that bride and bridegroom crisis, because lot of fake bridegroom to mislead him, giving the top of this services, etc. So there was and his elder uncle was killed by these people also in premature death. That these things, all this my co-disciples and then my one senior scientist of this station, the daughters, when I came in 1999 May. That was our Mukteswar last visit to our Gurudev, because I was transferred to Calcutta, and he was also at now this photograph has taken over the Pushpanashram, where he left by 2013. This is also in this day how made him weakened by this underneath. So severe magnetic field, my photo as you've seen. This is the one oldest memory of his time. My Gurudev, that is a Shanti Bhavan, is a